Hey guys, it's Courtney here from Flint, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite way to carry up yarn when knitting colorwork patterns in the round. And as in most things related to knitting, there are different ways you can carry up your yarn, and this is just my favorite way because it's so super simple. So when I'm talking about carrying up yarn, what does that mean exactly? Well, when you're working with two or more colors, but you don't end up using one of those colors for a round or two, carrying up your yarn is a way to avoid cutting it and having all these extra ends to weave in. It also secures your yarn to the inside of your work so you don't have any awkward floats that are stretching from your current round to a couple of rounds below. Okay, so I'm working with this sample here that is obviously using two colors, and I'm only using that dark orange color every other round. So I'm at the beginning of my next round right here, and I want to carry up that orange since I'm not using it in this round. So to do that, I simply take my working yarn, the yarn that I'll be using to knit the next round with, and wrap it counterclockwise around and under that unused dark orange, which scoops up that dark orange to help me carry it up to the next round. So you have this twist in your yarn, and when you're ready to start knitting the next round, you simply use your working yarn to knit that first stitch. And you can kind of see that when I'm about to knit that stitch, it's bringing that darker orange color that I've carried up kind of along for the ride. I knit the stitch, and then you can see that orange is now secured to the inside of my work by knitting that first stitch, and that carried up that orange. So when I'm ready to use it in the next round, it's right there for me, and it's not stretching from that stitch from the previous round and now stretching all the way over up here. It's right here at the beginning of round and makes it a lot neater. So that's really all there is to it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to share more with you next time. Follow me on Instagram at Flinit to see what I'm working on next.